Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Here we are on the Cosmos AIRDROPS.io website, and the Cosmos absolutely, literally rains free money, especially if you stake the three main pillar coins of the ecosystem, which is the Atom token, the JUNO token, and the OSMO token. And these three coins will get you the majority of the airdrops on the Cosmos. There's 14 claimable airdrops at the moment. There is 60 odd upcoming airdrops and about 14 rumoured. So you can see if you stake Atom and JUNO, you'll get paid out twice. On the next one, you need to stake 20 JUNO. Game Hub, Atom staking requirements. EVMOS, Atom OSMO. Shade Atom, Secret Luna. Litecoin Atom OSMO. Cerebus, Hawaii, Hawawa, OSMO and Atom. If you stake them, you get the Cerebus airdrop. It goes on and on. Atom, OSMO, XRP, XPRT, CRV, any of them, and you get the P stake. Desmos, staking requirements not known. Comdex, Atom, XR, XPRT, OSMO, Luna. See, you've got your Atom and your OSMO. Here it's just Atom again. FET, never heard of that one. Atom and OSMO, Atom, JUNO. If we go to upcoming airdrops, you need to say 5 secret. Bitsong, staking requirements not known. JUNO, Atom, OSMO, check. Atom, OSMO, Rowan. Akash. Yeah, Akash is built on the Cosmos as well. Atom, Marble. Atom, JUNO and Hawawa. JUNO, OSMO, Atom. It goes on and on. Netta, Stars, Regen, never heard of them too, but Secret again. JUNO, OSMO. The list goes on. It's like a conveyor belt of airdrops. It really is. How do you participate on the Cosmos? Well, first of all, to participate, you're going to need a Kepler wallet. See the little K up here? Now, I'll leave a video in the end card how to install the Kepler wallet if you're interested. Not financial advice, but it's recommended to get about minimum of 10 OSMO, which will cost you about $100. 10 Atom, cost you about $300, and about 20 JUNO. And that's going to cost you around $800. 10 would do, or just buy any, really, as many as you can, and buy a few at a time if you can't afford 20 all at once. That's what I've done. I think I've got about 21 and a half, 22 and a half, something like that now. Anyway, if this interests you, don't forget, you need the Kepler wallet. And once you've got the Kepler wallet, you're good to go. You download it here, Kepler.app, click that. Click install for Chrome. I've already got it. It'll say add to Chrome. So you click add to Chrome, it'll tell you when it's there. it'll show you a little K momentarily. Then you'll have to click on the jigsaw. You'll have to scroll down to your Kepler wallet and click pin it, and then it'll appear in your browser permanently. From there, you set it up just like MetaMask, and then to participate at the start, you need to send Atom from an exchange like Crypto.com or Binance to your Kepler wallet, and then you can interact with all the other tokens. Inside your Kepler wallet, you can stake each coin. I'm on the Cosmos Hub, so the coin is the Atom. So I can stake Atom directly from the wallet, or I can switch to Osmosis. I can stake Osmosis directly from the wallet. We scroll down. We've got JUNO. I can stake JUNO directly from the wallet. So if we go back to Osmosis, and you click stake, you'll see the Kepler wallet opens up like a TARDIS. It's massive inside, and I'm staking my Osmosis with various validators. These two get me some AIRDROPS. You're too late to join these, I think. This is the Diffusion Finance airdrop by staking with these two validators. Pro Validator, Imperator and Swiss Staking get me more AIRDROPS by staking with these three from another airdrop, because AIRDROPS is going to be on board in Ethereum users, because it's going to make the Cosmos interoperable with Ethereum. So that's why the AIRDROPS token is much sought after. So what you do is you need to go to the Osmosis zone. So you go to osmosis.zone, click enter lab, connect wallet, Kepler, click on assets, so once you're on the Osmosis DEX, it will show 0 on all these. You'll only have Atom at the moment, so what you need to do is you need to deposit your Atom. Click deposit, OK it in your Kepler wallet, confirm it, then your Atom will then show up here as deposited as Atom on the Osmosis DEX. Once you've done that, you can then swap your Atom for any of the coins listed here. Obviously Osmosis, JUNO, they're the ones that get you the majority of the airdrops. So what you need to do then is just simply trade your Atom. Remember to leave some in your wallet for transaction fees. You won't need a lot leaving in. You can swap then for OSMO. Many other tokens you can swap for. You may want to swap for JUNO. Then you just click swap, and then it appears back in your assets. Now you can actually stake on Osmosis as well. it brings you back to the Kepler wallet. But from the Kepler wallet, I can switch to JUNO. Click stake. And I can stake my JUNO directly in the wallet. I've staked with Cleomedes because it's a validator specific airdrop. So you need to be staking JUNO. Not only do you need to be staking JUNO, you need to be staking with this Cleomedes validator. I've got come in daily and claim your rewards. You're getting about 100% APR anyway, so you might as well compound it. So you click claim rewards, your Kepler will pop up and open, and you just approve the transaction. I now have a balance of this in my wallet. So what I do now is I click on manage and I delegate. It's always best to leave some in your wallet, so I'll just delegate 0.11 and delegate that. Okay, the transaction in your Kepler wallet. Click approve. And now my total staking has increased by 0.11. Do it every day and your APR should be nearer 120% by the end of the year. So not only are you going to double your bag in 12 months, but you're going to get a plethora of airdrops, loads of free money. This is what I'm doing. It's not financial advice, but I find it a refreshing change from losing my money on the Mathematic schemes that come. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hope it was informative and helpful in some way. See you on the next one. Bye.